Welcome back, everybody. Steve here with a Commodore 64 60 clone Shuriken update. It's a whole lot of things. And man, this is a beautiful board. I'm not just talking about all the work that I put into it. It's just a good looking board. So, Rob, John, Mr. Armsid, I don't know your name, sorry. All you guys that watched and helped me put it together, thank you very much. In this one, we're going to figure out what was wrong with the Shuriken from before and get it all fixed. And the answer is nothing. Nothing was wrong with the Shuriken. It was all this guy. Well, it was a combination of a bunch of people, but I'll take all the blame. So, stick around. Oh, and this thing right here. Thank you. We have a fix for the Shuriken on the 60 clone board. Man, this is a beautiful board. So a couple of videos ago, we fired this puppy up for the first time with the Shuriken installed, and we found out that there was a problem with the video. And we tried a couple of different things with John's help from Commodore4Ever, and we didn't get anywhere. And then I reached out to a couple of other Commodore vintage computer enthusiast YouTubers, and Glenn from CRG, linked to his channel down below, helped me out with some thoughts on this. And what we figured out is that when the RF modulator is plugged in and it's just leaning slightly, it lands on the metal ring around the outside and grounds out. And when it grounds out, you get a nice clean signal, and when you lift it up, you get a horrible, ugly signal. And the Shuriken doesn't connect to that ground ring around the outside. And so what I did was I took a jumper lead, a set of alligator clips, and connected the outer ring of the Shuriken itself to the cartridge shield, which is grounded. And the picture was beautiful. So what we had done the last time to do some testing with the Shuriken was we shorted the G-PAL, I-PAL connector right there and removed the PAL shunt down here in the VIC area. And that was not the solution, as you saw, because this is what it looks like. But what we did not do was we did not connect the PAL NTSC short, where we connect PAL to E3 instead of PAL to E2. We connect E1 to E3 instead of E1 to E2, and shorted the G-PAL, I-PAL shunt. So, this is what it looks like all together. We have a short from E1 to E3 in the VIC area, and then we have another short from G-PAL, I-PAL. And that just makes this a beautiful board. And it's fully working now. Let's get some screenshots of what it looks like with the Shuriken installed and the two shorts made. Okay, so here we are with the old RF modulator installed. Oh, and that's what it looks like on the screen. And if you remember, that's kind of what it looked like with the Shuriken without the short installed. And all I did was lift up on the RF modulator to remove that ground connection. So there it is, push down and grounded, and lift it up, no ground, and push down again. Let's turn her off and switch. Oh, try and do it one-handed. That one's out. And that one's in. Alright, there she is with the two shorts that I had mentioned. Again, it is E1 to E3 and the G-PAL, I-PAL shorted. And that's what it looks like. So This works with both the Shuriken installed and the RF modulator installed, as long as the RF modulator case is grounded, which it normally is, so it's nothing to worry about. So it is compatible in both directions. There it is. Okay, folks, so we fixed it. It was a grounding issue and a PAL board issue, and I am in an NTSC country working with NTSC stuff and trying to hack stuff into work. So again, it was the E1 to E3 shunt and the G-PAL, I-PAL shunt. And then the Shuriken works just fine. That was it. Thanks for being awesome.